Today's quick guide presentation discusses state and federal payroll taxes. The Payroll and Human Resources departments receive a large volume of questions regarding state and federal tax withholdings. Employees want to understand how these deductions are calculated, why they sometimes fluctuate, and what to expect as the year comes to a close and W-2s are prepared. Because our departments are unable to provide tax consult for individual employees and are not equipped to review and discuss each employee's withholding history, this brief presentation offers basic, pertinent tax information that may be helpful to employees tracking their state and federal taxes throughout the year. We often receive questions about tax thresholds and how earnings are taxed during the year. Let's look at an example of a single person with an annual taxable income of $58,000. You pay tax as a percentage of your income in layers called tax brackets. As your income goes up, the tax rate on the next layer of income is higher. When your income jumps to a higher tax bracket, you don't pay the higher rate on your entire income. You pay the higher rate only on the part that's in the new tax bracket. The graphic depicts the movement through thresholds, showing tax rates for each portion of the earnings. The result is a blended tax rate over the course of the current tax year. The USDA website provides significant detail regarding thresholds for all filing statuses. We receive a great deal of questions regarding individual and married filing statuses. The table shown illustrates the current thresholds for those statuses as of January 23, 2025, and is effective through the 2025 tax year. The USDA website provides additional information on other tax filing statuses. The link for this site will be provided at the end of the presentation. The Employee Withholding Certificate, or W-4, was revised in 2020. The previous form required information such as name, address, filing status, and Social Security number, the taxpayer's tax status or claim of exemption if qualified, the taxpayer's number of allowances, and any additional tax withholding. In 2020, the form was revised and simplified to show the employees why adjustments are being made. The form is now 3 sections, and employees fill out only the sections that apply to them. If you filled out a form prior to 2020, there is no need to fill out a new form unless you are making changes to your previous information. Once a post-2020 form is completed, the information replaces the original form on file. The new form requires similar identifying information, such as name, address, filing status, and Social Security number, a section to enter information for multiple jobs or spousal work using a worksheet, a section to claim dependents, and a section for other adjustments. These include extra income outside of your job, an account for deductions, either standard or itemized, and any additional withholdings. Employees may review and make changes to their withholdings during the year. The IRS's tax estimation tool can estimate federal tax withholding, show you how your withholdings affect your take-home pay or taxes due, and allow you to enter different withholding amounts to see which is right for you. The estimator tool is helpful for each of the following. Checking your tax withholding. The calculation of the following affect your withholding amounts: your earnings per pay period and your W-4 form information. Deciding how much to withhold. This is based on the number of jobs you hold, any outside income not subject to withholding, and eligibility for income tax credits or deductions. Estimating your tax withholding during the year. Using the estimator will guide your decision to make changes, ensuring you are taking enough withholding during the tax year. And finally, changing your withholding. You may submit a new W-4 form through Human Resources to change your withholding amount at any time during the year. The Massachusetts Department of Revenue hosts a variety of information, from filing status and exemption amounts to forms such as the M4 withholding certificate. USDA.gov provides a great deal of information on Massachusetts state taxes, including income and tax thresholds for earnings. Links to these and other sites are available at the end of the presentation. Information about federal and state taxes, including tables, rates and thresholds, and withholding certificates, can be found on the websites listed here. Each provides comprehensive information helpful to employees when determining their optimal withholdings each year. As always, Payroll is here to answer questions regarding your period pay or hourly timesheet earnings. You may contact HR with questions regarding your elected and mandatory deductions. You may visit the payroll page of our website to review our FAQs, which cover a wide variety of topics. You may also visit the HR page of our website to access the Massachusetts M4 form, the federal W-4 form, and a change of personal information form. We hope this presentation answers some of the common questions regarding tax withholding and provides you with options for making the best tax decisions for you and your household.